Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to another episode of Craft Along with Crafter Wong. In this episode, I'm making Metagross, and technically all of its previous evolution lines. Why do I say that? Well, they all have this leg, arm, body part. I don't know, but it's probably the most difficult to build, and you skip to this time if you need to know how to build it. The general instructions for building Matang is that for building, you build a sphere, you build the arm, and then you attach the spikes in a triangular formation, and then attach the head to the arm or body or whatever this is called, and voila, you got it. For Matang, it's very similar. You build a saucer, and then you attach all those extra spikes to it, and then you use the two legs to balance out the model to get to stands. I'll just say in general for Metagross, it's very similar to what I just said. You build the saucer. Do not close the model this time though, because you need to build the X and all the extra spikes. Then you can close the model, and then attach the underside, and then build the four legs, and then just attach them to the saucer. Nothing too difficult, but if you're having problems, I've included the video to see what's going on. This is how long each model took me to build. And besides that, if you want to build these models with me, you can download the templates in the first link in the description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Hoenn type. Oh gosh, your favorite Hoenn region Pokemon. Besides that, let's begin building. Well, Metagross has 4 of these arms, and I don't want to waste your time, so if you've seen how to build one of them, you should be able to know how to build the other ones. If you need to rewind, just go ahead and do that. But with some video magic, boom, there you go. You have all 4 of them, and you don't have to watch me build this again. Well, I don't know. Hello? I don't know what else to say in this outro. I mean, I've covered all the information beginning, so yeah. I mean, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your favorite cookie so I know that you made it to the end. I highly doubt I'll get any of these comments, but hey, man, I'll tell you my favorite cookie if you get to the end. But until next time, bye bye.